In 2026, the Volvo P1800 isn't a mass-market revival from Volvo itself, but rather the pinnacle of the resto-mod movement, led by Cyan Racing, the engineering minds behind Volvo's world touring car titles. While rumors of a factory electric reboot persist, the car actually hitting the pavement this year is the refined P1800 Cyan GT. The experience: analog soul, digital precision. The 2026 P1800 Cyan is a $700,000 love letter to driving. It takes the gorgeous 1960s Italian-inspired silhouette and replaces almost every internal component with modern race technology. Performance in engineering. Engine: a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder derived from the S60 TC1 race car, pushing 420 HP. Weight: thanks to a full carbon fiber body and high-tensile steel chassis, it weighs a mere 2,200 pounds, 990 kilograms. Transmission: a dogleg 5-speed manual gearbox that requires focus and rewards it with mechanical satisfaction. Handling: there is no ABS, no stability control, and no traction control. It is a pure, unadulterated connection between the driver and the road, supported by a bespoke, independent double wishbone suspension. The GT evolution. New for the 2026 production cycle is the GT specification, which softens the original's track day harshness. It adds more sound deadening, a more compliant suspension tune for winding country roads, and a luxurious sand beige leather and fabric interior that feels more like a high-end boutique than a cockpit. The verdict: the 2026 P1800 Cyan is an anomaly. In an era of heavy, screen-filled EVs, it is a lightweight, internal combustion masterpiece. It isn't a daily driver for the faint of heart, but for those who want the most beautiful car of the 1960s with the reliability and speed of a 2026 supercar, it stands alone. The bottom line: it's an expensive, noisy, and visceral masterpiece that proves Volvo's heritage is best served with a manual gear stick and a turbocharger.